guys, do not be alarmed by this hair. It's almost there. I love having my light color, my blonde back. We actually didn't even have time to finish. Look how dark it is underneath because we were running out of time because I have a lot of it. It's quite thick hair and my breasts were filling with milk. We are going to the mountains right now because it is the end of summer and we're going to celebrate because I didn't get much of a summer. First things first, I really want to do some skincare because this is like the #1 thing that makes me feel so taken care of lately. I am a mother of 2. I have a 4-month-old and an almost 3-year-old, and you're just pulled in a lot of directions when you're a mom, and taking just a few minutes out of my day to really take care of my skin, there's just something about it. Before I was a mom, I didn't really see that as much of a break or much of a thing that really takes care of me, but it truly is so relaxing and it really makes me feel at peace. So I want to thank Osea for sponsoring today's video. You guys know how much I love Osea. Osea is a clean, vegan, cruelty-free, seaweed-based skincare and body care line, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Today we're really going to focus on plumping and hydrating, especially because we're going to the mountains where it's a little bit drier, and that's why I'm using the Ocean Cleanser as well as the Hyaluronic Serum. These 2 products are amazing together, and this is what they call the plumping hydrating duo. These 2 together really are just incredible. So the Ocean Cleanser delivers this mineral rich hydration that you can really see and feel. You know, sometimes after you use cleansers you feel kind of stripped. This really hydrates, which I love. So now I'm going to go in with the Hyaluronic C Serum, and this is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it feels so good put it on. You really only need a drop. Another key benefit to a hyaluronic serum is it increases hydration and it gives you more of a firmer look in your skin. It's great for anti-aging, but I don't love that term anti-aging because we are allowed to age. It's okay if you age, people. It's fine, but it feels good to just take care of your skin, especially in a drier climate. Something I love about Osea is that they really take care with the ingredients they choose to deliver the best skincare possible. The Ocean Cleanser has Undaria seaweed, which is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, and nutrients to mineralize the skin, and also bentonite, a natural clay that removes surface impurities, and excess oils to detoxify and unclog pores without stripping the skin. And the Hyaluronic C Serum has Japanese Miru seaweed, which replenishes and balances the skin's natural moisture level for healthy, hydrated skin. And there's also snow mushroom, which forms a hydration layer on your skin to seal in moisture. So I'll definitely be using these products this fall because they truly feel amazing and keep my skin plump and hydrated. And by the way, I'm getting no sleep these days with this cute little baby, so taking care of my skin right now feels extra important. And what's great is getting the duo together is such a good deal. The price is $110, but the value is $136. So you're saving $26 when you buy these products together, plus an additional 10% off if you use my code Hannah at checkout. So click the link below and use code Hannah to get the deal. And now I just need to pack and get ready for our trip. I love going up to the mountains. It's so beautiful up there. I'm such a mountain girl, as well as a beach girl, to be honest. But I just love to be in nature. It just feels so good. It really fills me up. But there's a real purpose for this trip, actually, a whole reason. And the reason is I had my baby at the end of April, right as it was warming up here in Idaho. Everyone was like, oh, spring, what a wonderful time to have a baby. And I was like, is it though? Is it really? Because I like to really take my postpartum recovery and postpartum period seriously. So I definitely stay in bed and I don't, go to Target. I don't just like jump right back into life because it's such a sacred time to heal. And I just want to say that you have also been with me a little bit on this journey of moving from California to Idaho, and lately, I am feeling so grateful for living here. Like, I don't even want to go back to California. I miss my friends and family so much, and there's a couple things about California that I do miss. But it is pretty epic here. It's like this amazing, it's just an amazing place to raise a family. And also, don't come here. It totally sucks. Ugh. It's gross, it's ugly, and the people are terrible.
It's so big.
Vegan egg muffins.
It's huge. Working in here right now.
Ooh, yum.
What do you guys want to do this weekend?
We can check out Tamarack.
We should do like
Yeah, I'd like to do a day trip
Dawson's
to
Creek
Tamarack.
marathon.
Yeah, I would love that. That's for another season of life, Hannah. Did you see that?
Oh,
It'd be
I
great.
saw.
I lost my hair.
I went like this, Hannah.
You crazy.
Yeah, I went like this.
It was like a cross between an Elaine, Ben Steak.
Yes! You felt it, I felt it too.
I had to. It was on sale. They're
What is
cheaper.
it?
I don't know why you
The
had.
best pickles.
Can you pop one open?
That's right.
If you don't get,
Face really.
I don't like it.
Do it again, do it again. Good.
You got 20.
What? Is she walking? What?
Papa.
She said Papa?
Yeah. Should I do bowls for the kids?
Yeah, probably.
It was with ANZ Bank. Which is ANZ. ANZ.
I know it's
Translation?
You don't have to
Which is
translate that.
Are you American?
And it was called, the bank account was called a Dolomite account.
But also sometimes you have,
Okay, see if you can step onto that.
Uncle Cat sometimes.
What? Stay on it. Yeah! Oh, nice.
And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spending with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with.
Yeah, that's right.
Joy
But the parents would love it.
Cosmo, there's a bulldozer.
who you share it with.
Really rubbed in too.
Where we go?
Who you share it with.
Charlie. You're friendly, Charlie. Hi. Come here.
I already pointed out. I'm busy to pointing out You gonna go in?
I wanna run away for fun. A little lost, never hurt no one. I miss you, but I don't want you back now. Yeah, I'm doing way too good for that now. On my way out.
Cosmo, you want to put your goggles on and swim with Dad? Zoomy, 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 zoomy.
Hey, Cosmo, hold my hat.
Get under!
I don't want you to get your shoes wet. Alright, now I want to see who's got the best handstand. You're like,
Hannah, let's go. Hannah.
ooh.
Did I win?
Now, you're the only one that did it.
I know.
Sorry, you didn't get it.
I put this out.
What is that?
It's for a table like this.
Cool.
And like that.
Oh my goodness, cool.
You got Mom? They left some at our house. Gabe and then brought some.
Oh, right, brought out the goods.
Youngest brother would be like, all right, let's see how fast you can go get, and then whenever we want it. And that is how you get fast.
Exactly. Like that's the only way you get faster is if somebody times you.
And
So.
that one.
Was your brother super fast?
And Kessler's.
You want me to get Kessler?
How do you know that?
Passed their way. Now he saw a fair lady upon an ambling path, to whom he doffed his cap.
Hey, sorry for my voice. I lost my voice. But I just want to say that I'm so glad we took this trip to the mountains to soak up this September warmth before the weather dips. I am so grateful for this time spent with my family and close friends. And you know what, guys? I am just really glad we moved to Idaho. We're in nature more. We feel more together. It just feels easier to have quality family time. We feel safer. We feel more at peace. It's a slower pace of life surrounded by a community who shares the same values. And I just feel so enormously grateful to be here and to have 2 children who are thriving and a husband who provides for us and protects us and loves us. They're simple things, but they truly are so foundational for me in my security and joy, honestly. I think what I'm learning more than anything right now is to embrace and surrender to all phases of motherhood. This was the greatest lesson I learned in this last pregnancy and birth. The more you grip and resist and fight, the worse the heartburn, the worse the nausea, the more painful the contractions, etc., etc. And with motherhood, isn't it just the same? I'll be honest, I'm in this sort of tricky, challenging part of motherhood right now. I'm extremely sleep deprived, and that first year is just so hard in the sleep department, but the higher expectations I have for sleep, the more difficult it is mentally. If I just roll with it and know that baby's awake and it's okay, and that my baby needs me at night, just like he needs me during the day, parenting doesn't stop between the hours of 8 p.m. and 8 a.m., wow, I can't tell you how much easier it is. And with an almost 3-year-old, the more realistic my expectations are about his emotional capacity in terms of tantrums and such, and the more I embrace this stage of his development, the more patient and understanding I am to be able to coach him through his emotions. And a really good parenting book here and there doesn't hurt. We Are Loving Peaceful Parents, Happy Kids by Dr. Laura Markham right now. So yeah, don't resist. Embrace all aspects of motherhood. It is surprising how much this can change everything. Another way to say it is, in the language of the mindfulness world, it's just be present and recognize the impermanence of everything. Both the easy and the challenging, everything is fleeting. Thank you guys so much for being here and sticking with me through my stopping and starting of content creation as I juggle motherhood and trying really hard to film respectfully. I'm just so grateful to be able to support my family through this fun and inspiring work and connecting with you all. And just a reminder about Osea's Plumping Hydrating Duo. Click the link below to save $26 by purchasing the 2 products together and save an extra 10% off by using my code Hannah. Okay, bye.
Oh, he's so cute. Do you love him, Mama? Yeah. I think he is put in this